Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you data sorting in Excel. It means how we can sort the data in our Excel file. Data sorting will give you easy readability while working on Excel files. So for this explanation I have already prepared a dummy data as we can see on the screen. This data is very simple. I have listed marks obtained by few students in the subjects maths, science, English, and in the last column I have calculated the total marks obtained by each student. So in this video tutorial I am going to explain you 4 different types of data sorting methods in Excel. So the first one is sorting from A to Z. Second one is sorting from Z to A. Third one is sorting from smallest number to the largest number, and fourth one is sorting from largest number to the smallest number. So we will see each of this type one by one. So we'll start with the first type, that is how we can sort the data from A to Z. So the first two types, that is sorting A to Z and Z to A, will applicable for the columns which contains alphabets. So in this data we can see that the column A contains only alphabets, right? So on this column we can apply the data sorting A to Z and Z to A. But before that we have to find the option where we can sort the data on our Excel screen. For this we have to go to the data tab, and under sort and filter group we can find the option sort here. Okay, so by using this sort command we can sort the data by using all these 4 different methods which I am going to explain you. So first of all we have to click on any cell on our data, and after that we have to go to the data tab, and under sort and filter group we have to just click on this sort command. We can see that sort dialog box will appear on our screen. Okay, now here we can see one option, my data has headers. Okay, if our data has headers we can click this checkbox. So we can see that the selection will exclude the header row. If we uncheck this checkbox we can see that our data range will include the header rows. Okay, so we have headers in our data, so we will check this checkbox so that our data will exclude the header row. Now here we can see 3 different fields. First is column, second is sort on, and third is order. So column is basically we have to input the column on which we have to sort the data. Okay, so we want to sort the data on this first column, that is student. So we have to select the column name as student here. We have to sort on values. Okay, there are different types available here like values, cell color, font color, cell icon, but we have to click here values because we don't have any cell color, font color or cell icon available on our data. Okay, so we will stick with the values, and here we can select the order if we want to sort A to Z or Z to A. Remember, A to Z and Z to A are applicable only for the columns which contains alphabets or alphabetical data. So our first method is sorting A to Z, so we will select the order as A to Z and we will click on the OK button. We can see that our data is now sorted from A to Z. We can see that the students' name are sorted from A, B, C, D like in the sequence from A to Z. Now we will see how we can sort the data from Z to A. Again we will click any cell on our data. We will go to the data tab, and under sort and filter we can see the option or command sort. Click on the sort command. Again we will get the sort dialog box. This time we will keep the column as student because we have only one column with the alphabets on our data, Then here also we will keep sort on as values, and here we have to change the order from A to Z to Z to A, because we want to sort the data from Z to A, and we will click on the OK button. We can now see that our data is sorted from Z to A. Okay, so these are the first two different types, like sorting data A to Z and Z to A, which is applicable only for the alphabets. Now we will move towards our last two different types, that is sorting from smallest number to largest number and sorting data from largest number to the smallest number. So these two types will be applicable for the columns which contains numbers. So these are the four columns we have in our data on which we can apply the remaining two types. So what we will do, we will select the data or select any cell on our data. Again we will go to the data tab, and under sort and filter we will click on the command sort. Once again we will get the sort dialog box. Now here we have to select the column on which we have to apply the sorting. Okay, so this time we will select maths. So this column B, because this contains numbers. This we will select as it is like values, we have to sort on the values. And we can see the difference here. Previously whenever we have selected column A, that is student, we were getting this as A to Z or Z to A options, but now the options are changed. We can see the smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Why? Because here we have selected the column maths, which contains only numbers. So we will select here order as smallest to largest and click on the OK button. We can see that the marks obtained by each student in the subject maths are now sorted from largest to smallest number. Now we will apply the last type of data sorting, that is largest to smallest, on this last column, that is total. Okay, we will follow the same procedure. We can select any cell here and we will click here on the sort command. Here we will change the column from maths to total. We will click sort on as values, and here we will change the option from smallest to largest to smallest. So with this we can see that our data is now sorted from total marks obtained by students from largest to smallest. So these are the four different types of data sorting: A to Z, Z to A, smallest to largest, and largest to smallest. I hope you are now clear with the concept of data sorting in Excel. That's all from this video. Thank you. Have a great time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, hit like button and share with your friends. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, do let us know through your comments. And most important, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications about our newly uploaded videos.